Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Laurel County, Pulaski County, Rockcastle County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ottawa to near Bronxton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Somerset, Mount Vernon, Science Hill, Burnside, Kane Store, Denaro, Bummer, Robinette, Bandy, Woodstock, Horselick, and Spiro. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Laurel, Pulaski, and Rockcastle.